Hi, I'm Mohammed, the founder of Journale, and I'm really excited today to present to you guys Journale in its full capabilities for our product hunt release. So a little bit about the product itself, what it does. It quickly allows you to integrate AI right within your games, right within your engines with a few clicks. Now you may be asking yourself, why don't I build this myself? Well, you'll quickly see if you grab an API key and put it right within your game. This will be exposed to the client, which could be reverse engineered and be a big security risk. So you would need to set up a sort of cloud infrastructure for this. So this is where we come in. We handle this for you completely. We handle the rate limiting, content guidelines, and we handle also the player ownership verification. So we make sure that whoever's calling your AI is one of your players that's currently playing your game. So let's just get started so we don't take up too much time. If you see right here, we have the Unity project. So it looks a little bit ugly. Obviously, yours would look a lot better. Right away, we can notice there is an error down here. I've already set up the code to call it. So now I'll show you guys how to actually download the SDK. So it's very, very easy. You just go to your package manager, right? And then, see, switch came to my other screen. All right. And we will add through Git URL, okay? So this would be the Unity Journal SDK. And we just copy this URL right here. And we can go right back into Unity, right? Oops. Get URL right here, and we can install this. Right, so this took a few seconds, and now we're all up and ready. And as you can see, all the errors have gone away. And you can look at the documents. We already have the full documentation on how to use the SDK right within your game. So now you will go to the project settings. If you go to edit and project settings, you will see here there will be some default values. I think this is one of the old project IDs that I was using. So again, there's two ways to verify. You can verify as a guest or as a Steam user. So you should have your Steam game open if you're verifying a Steam, right? So we'll hop in the dashboard right now and get our project ID right here. All right, so we're in the project making page. So we'll make here a product hunt project, right? And we will set here. So for the default context size, this is actually to limit the amount of tokens that your players can use. We have it set to 16,000 tokens maximum right now. But yeah, so we will start with making the Steam entitlement check. If you do none, then anybody can call it. Don't do that except for tests. So we'll do Steam right now. So I have here in my dashboard the Journal test app. So we can copy this ID here. And you have to also make sure for Unity, you put it in your Unity file. And there's another key that we need here, and that's your Steam Web API key. So for that one, we will go, again, I'll show you guys how to get it. You go to user permissions, manage groups, and you can create the new API key from here, and it'll be right here on the side, okay? So again, I'm gonna revoke this Web API key right after we're done, but very important that you keep it here. So we can remove the none. So now our project will only accept Steam users. So we'll create the project. All right. So now we can copy the project ID, very easy, and we can go right back into Unity. So this, when you're releasing your game, you would just the only thing you would expose would be the project ID, and you would make sure you're releasing to the right platform. Okay. So I currently have Steam open right here. So I'll close that completely. We'll do Control Q or Command Q, and we'll be shutting down Steam completely, right? And it just shut down right now. We can go ahead and test this. It should not work because, again, we are not logged into Steam with a valid game copy. So we should say, hi, Remy, let's try anything, right? And right away, if you notice, guest is not allowed for the project. So we're calling as a guest and it is not allowed, right? Yeah, so it's saying that we're a guest even though we have it for the platform as Steam, just because we don't have the Steam app open, right? So we will open up Steam again. And just during this time while Steam opens, it's very important that you guys understand that you have to also put in a Steam app ID in your Unity's root folder. It's just a txt file. All of it again will be on the docs. So now it's open. Let's test this out again. So we're gonna reload it. Okay. All of the errors should go away. And we can say hi, Remy. All right. Sometimes a little bit cold start happens every now and then, but we should be able to get a response. Yep. Hey there, what's up? So again, this works very easy. Took us around like 2 minutes to integrate. And right now we support this with Steamworks. In the near future, we're looking to release again support for Epic Online Services for releasing to Epic Games Store, to all of the consoles, to mobile. So hopefully look forward to that in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed. And again, stay tuned in. We have a lot of things on our mind to release. Definitely the next action plan will be for us to start releasing actions so you can do action triggers from the AI to your game. Thank you so much, guys. And I hope you guys have a good day.